What's going on, everybody? Just want to do a quick review of another tool that I use as a mobile locksmith pretty much every day. Now, this is our TOPDON JS3000 jump starter pack. This is not a maintainer, this is a jump starter. So a common problem I run into is cars need keys that have been sitting a while. You need a good jump pack to get that car going once the key's programmed. Now, I've tried a couple of them, and what I will start out with saying that I really like about the TOPDON is the size. I mean, I can pick this up with one hand. A lot of the bulkier ones that, work for a long time, they're nice, but they're cumbersome, and I enjoy all the saving of space that I can find. So, I've tried out some TOPDON products. I bought their maintainer, and I'm really pleased with that. And so the jump starter was a obvious choice. So a couple things to point out on this one is it's a 3000 peak cranking amp. It's 2400 milliamp hours. It says it can do up to 45 jump starts on a single charge, and it's good for up to 9-liter gas vehicles and 7-liter diesel vehicles. So I've personally found out that that seems to be true for the most part. I'm about 15 to 20 jump starts in on this charge, and I've got about 50% battery still. Now, you do have the plug for your cables. It also gives you an outlet, a USB, and then on this side you also got another USB for one of them does fast charging, and USB-C there for phone plugs and whatnot. So yeah, this jump start, highly recommended. I'll go ahead and hook it up to a vehicle that's been sitting for a while and let you see what it does. You just hook it up and it auto connects. It turns on its own. It's got the reverse polarity sensor. If you hook them up wrong, it's not going to let you do anything there. So yeah, let's give it a try. Alright, you guys, we got our TOPDON hooked up to our battery here. Now this battery's pretty new. It's probably a year old, but this car's been sitting, so it definitely needs to be cranked up. Now what you'll notice is we've hooked it up. We didn't hit any power buttons, but it's already showing us the battery level of the TOPDON, and it's showing us our boost option here. Now you'll probably want to do that anyway, regardless of what car you're jumping. It's just going to give it the full beans there. So what you do is you hold it and you'll hear an audible click. Now the boost is engaged. So let's go ahead and try to fire up the vehicle. I'll leave the camera on the TOPDON so you can see what it does. Alright, so we got the vehicle turned off, just making the video. I'm not going to let the car run in the background. But what we'll do from here is we just got to unhook the TOPDON, and we're good to go. And there we have it. Our TOPDON's unhooked. It auto-powered off. If I hit the power button, you'll see that I'm now about 25%. Still should be good for a couple more jump starts. But yeah, it's also got a light on there too. If you hold down the power button, it'll turn on a flashlight just to help if you're working in a dark environment. Overall, again, I highly recommend this tool. Just to clarify again, this is not a maintainer. This is not something you use for like parts programming or battery maintaining. We'll do another video on their Tornado series, which is an amazing product for maintaining. This is a great booster pack, so it's about $200, give or take. If you get a chance to get one, I definitely recommend it. Thank you.